Here are 8 ghoulishly delightful ideas to get you inspired to create a Halloween video for your business. Even if your business has nothing to do with Halloween, making a Halloween themed video is a great way to promote your products, services, and your brand. Almost $9 billion are spent every year on Halloween. That's a huge sales and marketing opportunity for your business. So let's get right into it. The 8 ideas start with number 1. Promotion. Halloween is one of the spookiest events of the year, so don't miss out when it provides you with a valuable marketing opportunity. Get in the spirit of the holidays with a special Halloween sale or product promotion. You can entice your customers by curating a collection of your products, including clothing or home decor, kitchen tools, hardware supplies, anything you sell that fits the holiday theme. Tailoring the shopper's experience this way not only helps boost your sales, but builds brand loyalty in a devilishly creative way. If you sell home products, get some spooky decorations and show them in a Halloween-themed room. Idea number 2, do it yourself with your products. Halloween DIY ideas are one of the most popular online search phrases in October. In fact, 35% of everyone looking for Halloween inspiration are looking online, and most of them are on YouTube. So making a video showing DIY decorations, treats, makeup ideas, just show how to use your products for a spooky Halloween-themed DIY. Number 3, a flash sale. Halloween isn't traditionally a time for sales like Black Friday, though the name is perfect for Halloween. But a one-day flash sale can give you a quick way to boost your business. For example, make a video flash sale for Halloween with on-brand colors and holiday-appropriate messaging. It's just a fun way to promote one of your products or services. Number 4, costume ideas. Although this year will be different from typical Halloweens, many people are still going to dress up. Picking an original and memorable costume is one of the hottest Halloween topics. And according to statistics, and I love statistics, the majority of people looking for inspiration for costumes look online in a search. So give your viewers Halloween costume ideas using your products. This is an effective way to bring traffic to your channel that you wouldn't typically get. What's number 5? A special offer. If you're planning to make a special Halloween offer for your customers, promote it with a video. Include your logo, how to buy your product, how long the offer is for, and a link both on your video and in the description below your video to directly buy your offer. So what's number 6? Get personal. Build brand trust. Creating Halloween videos that show the fun side of you and your business is a key strategy for engaging and growing your audience and building trust. Give your customers a treat. Just show off the most clever, terrifying, creative costumes you and your employees have ever worn to work. Show photos or videos from past Halloween parties. Let your customers see that you're not just about your products and services, but real human beings that enjoy having a good time. What's number 7? Trick or treat for home buyers. This is a really fun one. A few years ago, Trulia, an online real estate site for home buyers, decided to embrace the spirit of Halloween with a haunted open house prank. They planted hidden cameras, falling books, possessed dolls, and a few other spooky surprises in an older home for sale to give unsuspecting seekers a fright. What made the prank work was that it played off a truth that targets their audience. When you're searching for a home, you're bound to run into something that gives you the creeps, right? Halloween idea number 8, a giveaway. Promote a product or service that your customers would like to win for Halloween. Maybe you're an author and you can give away a horror book you've written, or an artist and you can give away a creepy drawing. Or if you're a crafter, just create something for Halloween to give away. There are so many things you can give away to create excitement and get your videos watched and shared. So let's wrap it up. The 8 Halloween, spooky, scary Halloween video ideas for your business are: number 1, a special Halloween promotion. Number 2, a DIY with your products. Number 3, a flash sale. 4 is costume ideas. 5 is a special offer. 6 is build trust. 7 is a trick-or-treat home, and number 8, a giveaway. In the next video, learn how to edit your videos to create a Halloween-themed look for any topic or subject. I'm Sherry Barbera. This is Zazumi, the Business YouTubers channel. I hope these 8 ghoulish ideas have inspired you to trick-or-treat your customers and clients with fun Halloween videos for your business. Happy haunting!